Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. I wanted to share with you guys a little something that I got from Amazon, and so I wanted to do an unboxing. All I have done is cut the box open, and just so you can see that it comes well packaged. I think they do try to protect the product. So it comes with these two little airbags, and then the box itself. So I ordered a beauty LED ring light. So I have one already, but my ring light, I mean, it gives out great light, but I think it's a bit too small. Let me measure it for you. The one that I currently have is the one on this side. See how it gets pretty dark? So but it is only 3.5 inches in circumference. So I thought, well, you know what, this may be the perfect light. I don't do videos where I'm in front of the video because mine are either project shares or tutorials, but the light over here to my left is just too small. I have another one over here to the right, and there's that one, and that is an aught light, so that is amazing, but it'll cast a shadow. But so I feel like the one on this side is weaker because see, you can barely see the shadow on the right, but you can see it fully on the left. So I thought this light might help. So I got this in a couple of days ago, about a few days ago, and I just have not unboxed it because I wanted to show you guys what I had gotten. So that is the contents of the box, and it comes with a little tripod, which is really cute. Yeah, I don't remember seeing, maybe I didn't look that closely, but I didn't remember seeing that it came with a tripod, but there it is, a little tripod. And look at this light ring, guys. This is enormous. I'm hoping that it's going to help. So it is big. Look at that. And I like that because that's plastic. And it comes with a little remote. Oh, that's so cute. You can control it with the remote. It comes with the adapter for the cell phone. And then it comes with some kind of tightening. Oh, this is the little knob that you can turn with. So I am going to really quickly, it's the Crenova selfie light ring. So I am going to read this real quick and tell you what to do. Okay, guys, I've taken the plastic off of everything. And so Crenova, I remember sharing with you guys when I got the laminator that they send you a free gift. Well, they send you a free gift with this one as well. The free gift is a selfie ring light, which is probably the smaller one. Looks like you might be able to clip it onto your phone. I don't know, but it's a selfie ring light or a $5 Amazon gift card. That's really good, guys. So all you would have to do was email them at service@crenova.net and put on there a free gift. Should send them the order ID number and your choice of A or B. That's pretty cool, guys. I don't know many companies that actually give you a free gift after you've made a purchase. But anyway, so this little remote here, guys, you can pair that with your phone, and there are the instructions. It's really awesome. You can pair that with your phone and you know, turn the camera on and off on your phone with the little remote. That's really cool. Now I'm not going to do that part today because I'm using my phone to video this. Now here are the instructions, and it tells you how to operate the little remote. And it's telling me here how to install. So I'm going to do that with you guys and show you, hopefully. So I need to take this So I need to screw that on to the bottom of the light ring. Okay guys, what I have to do is I have to screw this one onto the bottom of the light ring. It looks like, oh yeah, that's where it goes. Okay, and then I need to screw, yep, turned it. I need to screw this to the tripod, but since this is movable, let me move it around. Oh, how cool. So you can position your light to whatever you need, and this goes onto the little tripod. Okay, there goes that. And then this one is for the cell phone. Screw that one on there. All right, guys, it looks like I have it going. Okay, I'm gonna put this down as low as I can. Okay, there's that. That's pretty cool. Okay, let me plug this in, guys, and see how much light this is going to give. And this is a USB. It's not a like plug, but that's okay because, you know, I have one right here that I use. And how many of these don't we have laying around the house? Okay, let me plug this in. There it is. Let me see about the light. Okay, it does have the on-off switch. So I'm guessing on. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. I know you can't really tell very well. Okay, there it's off. Now it's on. The brightness. There we go. Oh, that's cool. You can adjust the brightness on your let me aim this down so you can see, hopefully. All right, it's aiming down, and there is the brightness. And then this one, I didn't read what this one was for, but let's push that button. Oh, it gives you the light. Oh, it gives you different colors. How cool is that? That's like an amber. It's a bright white. It's a blue light. That is really cool, guys. Oh my gosh, let me turn off this light. Look at that. Amber, bright white, and blue light. I love that, guys. I think it's gonna make a difference on my videos. I really do, because let me turn it off. That is what it looks like with just the one light. There's no light right there. Let me turn it on. That's amber, blue, oh, amber, bright white. Wow, that is such a great light. Yes, that is going to help me with my video, guys. So I give this a 2 thumbs up because it really is awesome. Now, if this little arm is adjustable, so you can position your phone however you need it. And I am going to make a video. I'm going to do a project share, and we'll see what it looks like with, I like that. I like the bright white. We're going to see what it looks like with this light versus my little light over here to the side. All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this little demo, and I love the light, and we will see what it looks like in my videos. We'll see. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Y'all have a great day.